Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Lily. You should definitely like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of my YouTube journey. We are almost at 100 subscribers, so thank you all so much for being a part of my journey. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my emergency kit for school, and this is basically going to be in everything you need in your high school emergency kit. I'm just going to show you everything that I think you would need. Also, my hair is a little different. This is a style I haven't shown on my channel before, but I just have like a slick back jumbo braid. I can do a tutorial on this hairstyle if you guys want to see it. This video is just going to be the start to my back to school series. Just keep on watching to see what you should pack in your emergency kit. So first, this bag is from Michael. It was about $4, I think. So first we have pads and tampons. I put both of them in here because depending on what you use, that's what you'll pack. I personally use tampons, but if you use pads, then you'll pack pads. But it's good to have them. If your friend needs one, you need one, somebody around you needs one, it's always good to have them. And if you don't want to be the person who's asking other people for them, it's always good to pack them. The next thing, I don't really want to show you guys, but it's an extra pair of underwear. More so like the kind of underwear that you would wear when you're on your menstrual cycle because you don't want to like mess up the ones you like to wear. So yeah, pack those. And then the next thing, normally I buy unscented ones that are like really small and like travel size, but it doesn't make a difference. This one's just like scented by Gain or whatever, works the same. But yeah, you should always have a lint roller with you because you'll actually need that way more than you think. The next thing is, it's just hair gel. I use Eco Gel personally. I use the crystal one and I'm at my last little bit of it, but I'm just gonna pack this year in my bag, and you should always have some too if you like do your edges or whatever, especially like for after gym when it's hot, if you go outside, if you ride the bus, if it's raining, like all that stuff can mess your hair up. So it's always good to have like a little backup gel. The next thing is hand lotion or body lotion in general. This one's just by Gold Bond. People are always asking for lotion and it's good to have it. You don't have to let other people use it if you don't want to, but you can. And it's also good for you to have, like your hands can get really dry in the winter time. It's good to pack a little mini one. The next thing is perfume. This one is just the Fresh and Clean Chilled by Victoria's Secret. Hold on, that up there. I don't know if you guys can really see because the glare, but yeah, this perfume smells so good. It's one of my favorites. It smells literally like heaven on earth. So yeah, it's just good to pack a perfume because like I said, after gym, or if you forgot to put it on in the morning, or if your friend wants it or something, it's always good to have perfume. The next thing is deodorant. You would be surprised the amount of people that you can definitely tell forget deodorant. Some people I think probably do it on purpose because they're like natural, or they might use natural deodorant. But yeah, just always pack deodorant. This one's just Lady Speed Stick. It doesn't matter like what kind, just whatever one you normally use. You can pack travel size, but those run out really quick. If you don't pack anything else in this bag, make sure you pack this. The next thing is hand sanitizer. This one is just Stress Relief from Bath and Body Works. All this stuff is gonna be backwards. I'm really sorry, but I'm trying to say the names. So this one's just from Bath and Body Works. It just smells like eucalyptus, I think. Stress relief. Definitely need that, especially right now with all this stuff going on. Make sure you put hand sanitizer on before and after lunch. You put it on like between classes. I don't know how this stuff is gonna work with this pandemic going on, but make sure that you have some hand sanitizer. Make sure you're wearing your mask if we go back to school, all that stuff, because you do not want to play with this virus. I'm telling you, you really don't. The next thing is lip gloss and Carmex. Carmex just looks like this, you know, I have a ton of them. And then this is my lip gloss. My lip gloss just looks like this. The link to my website will be down below so you guys can purchase it from me. But yeah, I definitely recommend. Hold on, I'll put it on for you guys so I can give you guys a little demonstration. It looks really good, so make sure you buy my lip gloss. But yeah, it's always good to pack lip gloss for school if you wear it because you don't want chapped lips, you know? The next thing is gum. These are just little packets of gum by the brand Extra. This is my favorite gum ever. Extra peppermint is my favorite type of gum ever. I always have gum when I'm at school. Like, people are always asking me for it. I end up running out. But, you know, I'm a kind person, so I like sharing. The next thing is Midol. If you get, like, cramps or whatever, it's good to have medicine with you. My school, personally, we can't have, like, medicines. I don't even think we can have cough drops. I don't know. So I personally don't pack this in my bag, but if your school allows it, then you can pack it. This is just the medicine that I use for my cramps because they be hurting, and this knocks it out. I look so good. Woo! Yo, I've been taking so many pictures today. Oh my god. Next thing, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't pack this normally because I don't ever use it. But if you get to school early enough, or if you're like super extra, you can pack this. This is a travel toothbrush. It just looks like this. It's like half a toothbrush, and then what you do is just like go like that, and then it's a full one. And then some toothpaste. So yeah, this is just Colgate. I got this at the dollar store, I think, in like a little package. Travel toothbrush and toothpaste is good for after lunch or for whatever. I'm with whatever. I'm with everything. That's a TikTok, y'all know. The next thing is floss. It's always good to have. The next two things are hair related. So these are just bobby pins and hair ties. Bobby pins are always good to have, and hair ties are always good to have. I always break these, so that's why I need a whole package, because I'm gonna break next. Two things go together as well: headphones and a phone charger. So the headphones are for the bus and for the classroom. My school's pretty cool. We're allowed to use our phones in class depending on the teacher. And we're allowed to listen to music in certain classes depending on the teacher as well. So it's good to have headphones. And then on the bus especially, because sometimes people are like so loud in the morning. And then sometimes people aren't talking. And you're like wide awake and you just like want to talk to somebody and everybody's sleeping. So do music. Then you need to bring a phone charger if your school allows you to have phones or whatever. My school does allow us to have phones, and we're allowed to charge our phones in classes and whatever. Bring your charger. Next thing is a edge brush. I use a toothbrush too, so I was like, I'll just pack the toothbrush. Yeah, for your edges, or just to fix up the top of your hair. Next, we just have mints, or just like candy for something to chew on. Next, I have Band-Aids. You'd be surprised how many times you actually need a Band-Aid and you don't want to go to the nurse's office because that's kind of pointless. Can I get a Band-Aid? Like, she's going to be like, what is this? So just pack your own. Next is baby wipes. Baby wipes are good to have. Next thing is a tissue packet. Now, if you're sick at school, they're going to send you behind home. They are. They're going to send you home. You know, like in the middle of the winter time when like everybody's sick and everybody's like in the classroom. Everybody needs this. Next thing is a snack. This looks so ghetto. I'm so sorry. These are just Cheez-Its for the bus. If you're allowed to eat on your bus. I'm allowed to eat on one of my buses, not the other one. Teachers let you eat in the classroom. I don't like eating in the classroom. I'm allowed to, but I don't normally because I just don't like it. I think it's weird. It depends on like the food. But next thing is just a portable charger. If you don't want to plug your phone in or you're not allowed, here's a portable charger. And yeah, it just like turns on, I think. How do you do it? Oh yeah, it turns on and just lights up, and then you just plug your phone in there. Okay, lastly, we have a little mirror just to look at ourselves. I'm so sorry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some good ideas, some stuff you never may have thought of before. And if you're going into high school, be on the lookout for my freshman advice video coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. That is a video I'm very excited for. Make sure to check the description box so you can click the link and shop my website. I sell sugar scrubs, lip scrubs, and lip glosses. So make sure you get yours today. And I hope you're adding something from my video to your emergency kit for this school year. Also, if you guys know what your school is doing, comment it down below because I'm very interested in hearing what other schools are doing in other places. So, like always, if you have any video suggestions, make sure you comment them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.